Hey everybody, Dr. Chris Nelson here, and today's topic is how to floss your teeth. Okay, so there's a couple things you'll need in order to floss your teeth properly. Number one, floss. The best floss for flossing your teeth is the thickest floss that you can find that fits between your teeth. So if you want to know my preference, I prefer a waxed floss. This is just a sample Reach Mint waxed floss. A really great brand is Cocoa Floss. That's a good one. You can also Dento tape. That's probably my all-time favorite. You can get that on Amazon. It's called Dento tape. But get a floss that you like. The preference is it's not a slippery floss. Like there's some flosses made for getting into contacts really easily, and you kind of want to avoid those. Okay, so I just had lunch. I have some stuff in my teeth, so time to floss. So you want to take a piece that's maybe shoulder length, and then the next thing you'll need is, in addition to hands, you'll need to know which finger is your ring finger. So we're going to take the ring finger and you're going to wrap the floss around your ring finger, okay? And you want to wrap it enough times to where you don't have to hold it. See how that is working there? Okay, same thing on the other side. So look, I'm not even holding this. I'm just going to go like this. And if you're doing it too tight, your fingers will turn purple, but if it's just right, they won't change to color too badly. So the next thing is you're going to take your hands and you're going to make two guns like this, like stick them up, okay? And what you want to do is bring your fingers together. So that's the distance, that's how much floss you want to have wrapped. Now, a lot of people, the first time I show them, they're going to go like this, and they're going to go like that, and their fingers are too far apart. So you want to wrap, and you can wrap one at a time, like one there, and you can look, now that's not enough. Two. So I'm going to unwrap there. There you go. Okay, so we have our floss. And now you can take that floss. Look, I don't even have to hold on to it. And I'm just using like my two fingers, or my finger and my thumb, or both of my thumbs, fingers, like this. That's how you do it. It's pretty easy. Look, I'm not even holding onto the floss because it's wrapped on my ring fingers. Some people will wrap it on their pointers, but the reason this is nice is you can kind of get back. So for me, if I want to floss my top teeth, I usually do my thumb and my finger, and I'll go like that. So let's do real-time flossing. Here we go. You notice I'm like switching how I'm using my fingers. The other pro tip is you can actually move down the floss, so you can add a finger there and release a finger here, and then you have the same length, but you've effectively moved the dirty or the used part of the floss that way or the other way. So, flossing my teeth. Notice how there's like, I was using my finger and my thumb back there. It's also proper to like close your mouth on the floss when you pull it out, so you're not like shooting the goobers around. So, and then there's some debris there. And then the idea is you're not like going back and forth in between the teeth. You're actually going up and down, and you want to make like a little C shape around the tooth. So like when you snap through the contact, you kind of push backwards, up and down, and forwards, up and down. So you see it's kind of like a couple movements. So you see how I did that? So I went through and then did push it back, pulled it forward. Okay, other tricks. So at the very back, you need to floss behind your last teeth. So sometimes you need a little bit more floss for that, and go way back there. This side, for whatever reason, I use my middle finger and my thumb. Go like that. On the bottom, see how I'm like adjusting automatically like moving on the piece of floss. So I'm like moving around. Of course, I'm a professional flosser. I have a degree in flossing. See how that works? Up and down, up and down. So anyways, that's how it works. I'm going to finish flossing my teeth and then we'll be right back. Okay. All right. So there we go. So I flossed my teeth. The last pro tip I have is you can take your floss. If it's waxed floss, this works really well. Just like loosely grab the end and go around and just loosely do that. See, I have floss on the end of my finger. Okay. So you can take that floss, and once you've wrapped it around, you can pull it off your finger. Go like that. And then you can take the little extra piece and wind that like that. So you have a little piece of floss for the trash can, and then it's not like this big long piece. The waxed floss, like I've said a couple times, sticks to itself a lot easier. So anyways, that's a demonstration on how to floss your teeth. I hope you learned something. Share this video with some other people because I think more people need to learn the proper way of flossing. And I tell patients all the time, most people do not floss their teeth, but you should. So I'm hoping that you start flossing and use all the pro tips and let me know how it's going. Okay, take care. Have a great day.